Hey everyone, doing another one. Today we're down in Easton, Pennsylvania, right here in Wilson Borough. Right behind me is the Dixie Cup Corporation, which you really can't see the cup. I was parked on the other side, but there's just way too many power lines, so I figured I'd give it a shot from here. Today I'm going to fly the drone up and get some pictures of the actual cup. From what I read online, it used to be a 40,000 gallon water tower. It was built back in 1921, and also I read that a lot of the pilots flying into the Lehigh Valley Airport will come down here in Easton on final approach, and when they turn around, they used to use it as a point of reference. But it's been there for a long time. It's kind of beat up looking, but I figured it'd be something cool to take some pictures of, and hopefully I don't get chased out of here. And then down the street here, this is pretty cool too, this wooded street. I'm going to see if I can fly the drone down between these trees and hopefully I don't crash it. So anyhow, here we go.